Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore archived photos on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm going to open up the Instagram app here, and I will tap on my profile icon at the very bottom right. And then I'm going to walk through steps to archive something and then restore that photo from archive. So I'm going to tap on this post, and I'll tap on those three dots at the very top right and hit archive here. So you can see that that photo has now disappeared from my profile. To get it back, I can tap those three lines at the very top right. And then the third option you'll see is archive. I'll tap on that. And now you can see at the very top it says Stories Archive, which we don't necessarily want. We want our Posts Archive. So I can tap on that and switch to Posts Archive. Now, once we do that, we'll see that photo that I just archived, and I can restore it back to my profile by tapping on it, tapping those three dots at the top right here, and then tapping Show on Profile. So that will restore it back, and I'll go back to my profile here, and it'll restore it back to my profile for anybody to see who's my Instagram follower or sees my profile. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.